hypersonic. This looks cool. He's got like a rainbow aura, and he goes super fast, obviously. But he's all white. Maybe like his face, that face stuff is still peach. But let's try to draw this. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hip pose. If I go too fast, I'm going to start with his big eye. Head is up here. And we'll just give him that big sonic frown. So we'll just go whip. Like that. And then his big eye's in here. So we do a sort of little line that way. And then curve it around there. And then this will go back in. So. And then his eyes are purple in the picture I'm drawing from. So they're kind of like glowing sort of purple. A long sort of circle coming down from the top eyelid. And then we'll do his black pupil. Just in there. I said his other frown. Coming around this way. You know, you might have some like texture lines just go on either side of that. So his eye then, so we get like, I think this is like the bridge of his nose sort of area there. And then the eye curves around into that. And then we have his purple color shape in here. And then pupil. Like so. Right, so his nose, got that big black nose. It's not that big, but it like sticks out a bit. Sort of nostril in there. And then he has a big confident sort of smile just coming around here. He's at the bottom of his face. Go around this way. It goes up around his head here. And we've got that sort of peach skin color. Sort of like just in here. And on the other side, it's just kind of from the corner of his eye, just in there. Right, so then the side of his head comes up this way. And you might get it kind of goes up here, but it becomes like his fur and stuff all in there, like his spikes. So then we get his ears. So we get an ear here. Kind of the inside of it then, just with some fur in it. And then the other ear, just sort of above this side of his face. Now we got the far section on the inside. And the inside part here. Right, so then the ear seems to join this sort of spiky part here. So the first spike that goes like back and up. And you can do it sort of hairy, you know, because it's like the movie version. So it's like textured and stuff. You can do it like that. And then the next spike comes out as well. But if you want to draw it the more cartoon way, you can do it a smooth line if you want. And then there's another spike coming out of his head back here. If you want like textures and stuff on his fur, you can just do some like little hatching lines. And then there's another spike just back here. Okay, so shoulders. So we go off this way, down. It kind of becomes his chest sort of here. And like his arm just sort of sticks out there. And then the other side, down that way. The arm there. And then his back. And his back, and the body just go all the way down to the legs. So the legs are just real long, skinny things. And then you just curve around where it goes into his boots. And then he has like a different color fur just on his chest here. Like the peach of his mouth, you know, that same color. Although when he's in hyper, I don't know if it's peach or if it's all like gray, like his fur. Okay, so we got fists now, so he's two big fists. So we'll do the biggest one here. So we do the top of the knuckles first. 1, 2, 3, and a fourth. And this comes down the back. We just see his thumb over the top here. And we get on the back for his knuckles. 1. Actually, it was just around the back of his hand, really. And then you see the knuckles just in here. So then you can see these sort of rings that are around his wrist. Kind of part of his glove as well. And then there's a spike here. And I think there's a tail. Then we go over and do his other fist. Remember, if I move too fast, just use your pause button. You know, if I'm moving too fast for you, just pause the video. Make things much easier. And then his gloved hand comes around like so. And then we bring it up, in, cross, down. We do that for the next finger. It's just because this finger is in a different position. So you just do that 3 more times. It's around. to the bottom of his hand there. Da, 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 da. So it's you're kind of drawing just normal Sonic, but he's just going to be like grey, sort of, and then with the rainbow aura around the side. So we get his boots in now. Just like the socks kind of sticking up around like that. And then that shoe shape, no laces, which is easier to draw. Shoe there. Like so. And he's got a sole. He got sole. And there's like a white stripe just coming across. Right, and then aura. So you could do it spiky, you can do it sort of oozing, you could do a combination of both. So it's up to you. We're just going to do a general sort of aura that we can color sort of multicolored. Because I think the idea is he gets all the emeralds or something and each color is represented in the aura. So just up and off the page there. So sparkly, sort of multicolored, all in there. And his fur is just white or grey. His boots are still red. So that's him, Hypersonic. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.